Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And today we're going to be taking a look or an unboxing of our new Icon diagnostic tool that we picked up. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. So, guys, we went to Harbor Freight. Well, actually, we went to Harbor Freight and we picked this up a new diagnostic tool. So, let's take a look at it. What did we pick up? We picked up the new Icon Professional Refrigerant Leak Detector, part number MRLD. So it's going to be a refrigerant leak detector. It's ultra sensitive detection. Detects R134a and R1234yf refrigerants. It's got a 1-year guarantee. And over here you can see it's a large 2.8-inch display. Shows color-coded bar graphs to quickly identify the size of the leak. 3 levels of adjustability, including sweep mode to quickly locate general leakage area. Durable heated diode sensor. A 16-inch long probe for greater access into deep and tight spaces. Auto and manual calibration provides highly accurate and precise measurements. Audible alarm to help locate and pinpoint the leak. So super excited to try this out, guys. Here on the back, it gives you a little bit more information. If you guys want to pause it and read the specs on it. So anyway, guys, we don't really do much AC or HVAC work, but we have had a leak in a vehicle recently, and we don't have a leak detector. The only one we have is a really cheap one from Amazon. That doesn't work, and it doesn't detect R1234yf, which is what we're actually dealing with. It's the actual system we're dealing with. So that one won't even detect it. So we went ahead, found this at Harbor Freight, and we decided to pick it up and give it a try. So let's get rid of this box. Who needs the box? Let's look at the real thing, guys. Right here, the real thing. So again, Icon has these nice cases, nice blow mold case with a rubberized grip with some knurling on it. Really, really like that. Also, the Icon metal clips. And again, another thing that I like, I don't know if the camera will be able to see it, but right in here it says leak detector etched in on the box, as well as back on the sides here as well. The only thing I can argue, or the only thing I don't like, I wish this was maybe in like a red or some other color that you would be able to easily identify a lot better, but maybe that's just me nitpicking. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this bad boy. We have already opened it, we just haven't used it. If I can get it open. There we go. So there is what comes in your kit. You do get 4 batteries here. That's wrapped in plastic. We already have them in the tool. And then you get your paperwork. You get your owner's manual. And that's really all you get in the kit or in your tool. So this is what you get. Hold it and it'll turn on. Hopefully you guys can see that. We're just waiting for it to warm up. As it says on the screen, warming up. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that. Tick tock, tick tock. So there we go. So you got your different modes. You got sweep mode there. Hopefully you guys can see that. Back to regular mode. Peak time. So you got a sensor button down here. How sensitive do you want it to detect? It's probably really hard to see. But anyway, guys, that's about it. So anyway, guys, really, it seems like really good quality. It's pretty heavy. It's not too heavy, but it's got some weight to it. Feels like it's really sturdy. It's got this kind of like a plastic. The back is plastic with some knurling here, which I like, and then the front side is kind of like a rubber, so it gives you a really nice grip. I really like it. The hose or the probe seems really nice, really sturdy. And then you have your tip here. So yeah, guys, I mean that's pretty much it right there. Not much else to say about it. Like I said, we haven't used it yet. I'm really excited to use it. When we do use it, we're definitely gonna do a video on it, and I'll give you my thoughts. But like I said, I've really never owned a nice leak detector. The one I owned was from Amazon. It was a cheap one. This is the first real one we've actually owned. Like I said, I don't really do a lot of AC work. It's not really in my realm. But yeah, guys, there is your Icon refrigerant leak detector. So anyway, guys, super excited to try it out. Here's the box that goes with it. So yeah, guys, there is our new Icon professional refrigerant leak detector from Harbor Freight. So it's a fairly new tool that they came out with. Again, Icon is not a sponsor of this video. We ended up purchasing this with our own money. So just to throw that out there, Harbor Freight or Icon is not a sponsor of this video. We purchased this tool with our own money. So anyway, guys, what are your thoughts on this professional refrigerant leak detector? Anybody else out there have this? Any good or bad comments? Put it in the comment section below. I'm interested in hearing your opinion about it. Like I said, this is actually the first professional grade one that we've actually owned. So I'm pretty excited about it. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. So anyway, guys, there you go. We're really liking the Icon stuff they're coming out with. This tool has a 1-year warranty from date of purchase. So it's not like a lot of the other tools where they're lifetime warranty. This is only a 1-year warranty. Obviously, Harbor Freight, you can purchase another extra year or 2 warranty on top of that. So yeah, guys, there you have it. Not much else to say about it. Once we do use this, we'll definitely put out a video for you guys. So anyway, guys, there you have it. As always, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a